से बहुत
वो
बहुत
बता
मजे
दो।
करते थे. So
अमेजिंग टाइम्स.
I know we are enjoying this, but if I have to ask you, how important was the role of your father in giving that confidence when you're growing up to be as a cricketer?
यार माय फादर वाज वेरी क्लियर कि पढ़ाई में उनका ऑब्वियसली उनका फोकस पढ़ाई में था,
Hmm.
बट ही वाज वेरी क्लियर कि you have to study along with playing, and
Hmm.
only when you
Hmm.
can say कि I am 200% confident that I am going to be able to make a career out of this, only then will you solely focus on just doing one thing. But till that
True.
time I want you to work hard in both. तो
Hmm.
उसके बाद जब रिजल्ट्स ऑब्वियसली आने शुरू हुए, and you know under 19 tours happened, and then he saw कि क्रिकेट ज्यादा हो रहा है, he stopped saying anything to me, बिकॉज लोगों से भी सुनते थे, कोच से फीडबैक आता था, तो उन्होंने बोला यार कि ये चांस देना चाहिए. तो सपोर्ट मुझे काफी मिला. प्लस दूसरी बात ये थी कि आई मेंशन्ड इट बिफोर आल्सो कि एक समय ऐसे था स्टेट क्रिकेट में, यू नो, बहुत लेफ्ट राइट ये वो सब
Hmm.
बहुत चीजें होती है, यू नो, मेनी फैक्टर्स
Hmm. Hmm.
हैपन
Hmm.
वेयर थिंग्स आर नॉट फेयर. आई वुड जस्ट
Hmm.
पुट इट लाइक दैट, आई वुडंट गो एलैबोरेट इट टू मच. तो वहां पे एक अपॉर्चुनिटी था जहां पे obviously a certain someone um, chose to, you know, step out of the rules and say कि ये सिनारियो है, आपको अगर सिलेक्शन तो मेरिट का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा कुछ करना पड़ेगा. सो ही
Hmm.
अंडरस्टूड,
Hmm.
एंड
Hmm.
ही इज अ गाय हु स्टडीड. मतलब वो स्ट्रीट लाइट के नीचे पढ़े हैं, वैसा हाल था उनके घर में. वहां से उन्होंने मेहनत करके लॉयर बने, मर्चेंट नेवी में भी काम किया उससे पहले. तो मेहनत जिसने करी हो उसको समझ ही नहीं आती है लैंग्वेज. ही डिडंट
True. True.
अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या है, कि यहाँ कर दो वहां
True.
कर दो. ही सेड टू माय कोच कि अपने मेरिट पे खेल जाएगा तो बहुत है, वरना हमें
Hmm.
नहीं खिलाना. ये सब मैं नहीं करूंगा. मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ, मैं बहुत रोया बहुत रोया. मैं, यू नो, आई वाज ब्रोकन, बट
Hmm.
दैट टॉट मी समथिंग दैट बॉस, ये दुनिया ऐसे चलती है, अगर
Hmm.
आगे बढ़ना है तो वो करो जो कोई नहीं कर रहा. So that
Hmm.
lesson he gave me, because you can only rely on your hard work, and that I saw from my father, who made a living, made a, you know, life for himself, and gave me the right teaching by actions. बोलना बहुत
True.
आसान होता है. So
True.
those little things ना put the right kind of attitude in me कि नहीं, मेहनत से आगे बढ़ना है. So I think that impact from him was huge, and obviously giving middle class family में क्या होता है, आप एक certain mindset हो सकता है कि नहीं यार आप focus करो, एक job होनी
Hmm.
चाहिए, you know, that is fair. But to have the courage to say नहीं, अच्छा इसको करने दो for a while.
Hmm.
I think that is all you can ask for as a child. So he gave me that for sure.
So, Champ, I'm sure you miss him almost every day in your life. But was there a moment आपको लगा कि यार काश आज मेरे डैड होते और वो देखते कि मैं ये अचीव किया या यहाँ पहुंचा हूँ? Is there any moment that you thought, I really wish my father could see this, because he was there in the times when I was growing up. He could see a little bit of Virat Kohli becoming Virat Kohli. But today, when I've achieved so much, not to show off, but just a feeling that I wish he could see
Hmm.
what he was trying to build. Was
Hmm.
there any moment? And I'm sorry if I'm making you emotional.
No, not at all. I mean, it is what it is. I mean, I accepted it immediately when things happened, and obviously I went to play the morning that it happened. उसके बाद से यार realize until something big happens in your life, you sort of,
True.
I was 18, and उतनी maturity नहीं होती आपके अंदर कि आप रोज बैठ के सोचो कि, you know, क्या हो गया, because you're also focusing on what you need to do in your life, and you know you need to move forward. So I kept doing that. But when I played for India,
Hmm.
when things started,
Hmm.
you know, going well, I started thinking, yeah, ki, what is it really that I could have done which meant something? And the
Hmm.
only thing that keeps coming to my mind and to my heart regularly is ki, you know, whatever my father did for our family, for me, for, you know, all the brothers and sisters, children, for my
Hmm.
mother, everything for his side of the family, sabko samalna and all that. The only thing I could have done for him was give him a life of, you know, great retirement and just relax. You don't need to
True.
do anything. तो जब आपकी पूरी जिंदगी करने करने में निकल जाए, and you know, then someone from your family goes up to achieve something,
True.
जिससे आप, you know, all that मेहनत, you feel like यार, I really feel grateful to God कि यार whatever I did, you know, I somehow feel justification or gratitude from God. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि और आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए. यू कैन गो स्पेंड टाइम विद देम, बट दीज आर द थिंग्स यू कैन डू कि उनको एक कंफर्टेबल लाइफ मिले, यू नो कोई टेंशन ना हो। तो वो एक मुझे एक चीज रेगुलरली लगती है कि यार वो अगर मैं दे सकता हूँ उनको आज की डेट में, तो that's the biggest gift I could have given him back.
True, true.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry I asked you this, Virat.
नहीं, it's
Yeah,
fine. I mean, I remember him in positivity. I never
which is good.
feel like I feel sad or emotional or something. Sometimes you like you miss him in a emotional way, but I always think positive, क्योंकि that incident to me was a blessing in my life. उस उम्र में ऐसा कुछ होना जहां आप अपना फोकस खो सकते हो, जहां पे आपको समझ नहीं आए कि आपकी प्रायोरिटी क्या है, वहां पे वो इंसिडेंट मेरे लिए ऐसा हो गया कि यार I have no other option in life. I have to keep going on this path. So yeah, I remember him well.
That's well said.